Hi everyone, welcome to Cock Channel. Today, I'm going to make this little bear requested by one of my viewers. Now, let's get started. First, connect 4 golden brown pipe cleaners together. Then wrap them around a pen. Keep wrapping until you reach the end of the pipe cleaner. Then thread it through the center like this. Thread it through, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Tuck the wire end inside, then adjust the shape. Connect 3 more pipe cleaners and wrap them around the pen as before. Thread a pipe cleaner through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Thread it through the center like this. Apply glue here and secure it in place. Trim off the excess, then fold the wire end inward. Apply glue, wrap a red pipe cleaner around the joining point, then twist tightly. Trim it and adjust the length. Apply glue here and secure it in place. Take a white pipe cleaner. Roll it into a small circle and glue it to the center. Glue on the eyes and nose. Cut a short piece of black thread and glue it on to make the mouth. Roll a pipe cleaner into a circle. Make a smaller circle using a pink pipe cleaner. Glue the pink piece inside to make an ear. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Make 2 ears, then glue them on like this. Next, Bend two 1.5 centimeters pieces of pipe cleaner to make the arms. Make 2 arms, then glue them in place. Roll 2 more small circles to make the feet. Glue both feet onto the body. Add a little blush. And it's finished. So easy, right? Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to make next. See you in the next video.